In the scorching desert of Pakistan, a treasure trove of majestic creatures roams free. The camel. These gentle giants, often referred to as the airplane of the desert, are a sight to behold. With their sleek coats glistening in the golden sunlight, they traverse the endless dunes with ease, their soft padded feet barely making a sound. The camel is symbol of resilience and adaptability, has been an integral part of the desert ecosystem for centuries. As one delves deeper into the desert, the sheer diversity of these incredible animals becomes apparent. Some camels boast coats as black as coal, while others shine with a radiant white hue. The traders who have spent their lives among these creatures cannot help but sing their praises. हजारों camel हैं, they exclaim, each one unique, each one a marvel of nature. And indeed, as one observes the camels, it becomes clear that each individual has its own distinct personality. Some camels are amazingly docile, nuzzling their owners with affection, while others are downright naughty, playful nipping at the trader's service. Yet others are content to simply laze around, soaking up the warm desert sun. The traders chuckle as they watch the camels at play, their eyes twinkling with amusement. They remark, shaking their heads in wonder. As the day wears on, the camels begin to stir their ears perked up as they listen to the sounds of the desert. The traders prepare them for their daily journey, carefully loading the camel with goods and supplies. And as they set off across the dunes, the camels seem to come alive, their long strides eating up the distance with ease. The desert, with its endless expanse of sand and rock, can be a harsh and unforgiving environment, but for the camel, it is home. These incredible animals have adapted to the desert's extreme conditions over thousands of years, developing a range of specialized physical and behavioral traits that enable them to thrive in this challenging environment. As one watches the camels making their way across the desert, it is impossible not to feel a sense of awe and reverence for these incredible creatures. They are truly the airplane of desert, soaring across the dunes with a grace and elegance that is unmatched. And as the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the desert landscape, the camels seemed to glow with an inner radiance, their beauty and majesty shining like a beacon in the fading light. In the desert, the camel is king, and as one observes these incredible animals, it becomes clear that they are truly deserving of their regal status. Whatever they are lazing in the sun, playing in the sand, or striding majestically across the dunes, a wonder to behold. They are a testament to the incredible diversity and beauty of the natural world and a reminder of the importance of preserving and protecting these incredible creatures and their habitats for future generations. As the stars begin to as the stars begin to twinkle in the night sky, the camels settle down for the evening, their soft grunts and gentle hums filling the air. The traders smile as they watch their beloved animals, feeling a deep sense of connections and affection for these incredible creatures. The result of Pakistan ki camel. They whisper, shaking their heads in wonder. They are truly a treasure, a gift from the gods. And as they listens to the traders' stories and watches the camels as they roam free in the desert, it becomes clear that these incredible animals are indeed a treasures, a symbol of the beauty, wonder, and magic of the natural world. They are a reminder of the importance of preserving and protecting our planet's incredible biodiversity and of the need to cherish and respect these incredible creatures and their habitats. In the end, the camels of Pakistan desert are more than just incredible animals, they are a symbol of hope, resilience, and the incredible beauty of the natural world. They remind us of the importance of living in harmony with nature and of preserving and protecting our planet's precious resources for future generations. And as we watch them roam free in the desert, their beauty and majesty shining like a beacon in the sunlight, we are reminded of the incredible wonder and magic of the natural world and of the importance of cherishing and respecting these incredible creatures and their habitats.